In the shadowed archives of history, the tales of German soldiers in the turmoil of war hold hidden layers of complexity, often shrouded in silence. While their roles in the well-documented battles of World War II are widely known, the personal battles they faced often go untold. Today, we unravel these lesser-known secrets, diving deep into the war they won't openly discuss. Imagine being a soldier thrust into service, driven less by ideology and more by conscription, fear, and survival. For many German soldiers, the war was not fueled by political zeal, but by a duty born out of a nation's turmoil. Beneath their uniform exterior lay stories of hesitation, internal conflict, and the harsh realities of a war-torn existence. In letters and diaries, whispers of dissent emerge, describing moral struggles amidst the brutality of battle. Soldiers grappled with orders that clashed with their personal ethics, a silent resistance forming within their ranks. Many found solace in small acts of defiance, small gestures of humanity amid inhumane circumstances. These narratives reveal a side of war grounded in personal experiences rather than broader political agendas. Furthermore, the psychological scars etched into the minds of these soldiers were profound. Haunted by memories of combat, the trauma endured often went unaddressed, masked by stoic facades. The aftermath of their service saw many grappling with post-war realities, silently carrying their burdens in societies eager to move forward, leaving their personal wars untold. While the world focused on the grand-scale strategies, it was the day-to-day survival, the friendships formed in the trenches, and the quiet courage of many that defined their experiences. Soldiers formed bonds that transcended ideological divides, uniting in their shared humanity. It was an unspoken understanding, a camaraderie born out of shared hardships. As history continues to scrutinize the larger dynamics of conflict, the personal stories of these soldiers remind us that beneath every uniform is an individual caught in the crossfires of history, holding secrets of a war sculpted not just by battles, but by personal survival and silent rebellion. They are echoes of a past that urges us to listen closely, revealing the untold truth of a war far more complex than we often acknowledge.